Hey, everybody. Big T here with the Cook Show. Y'all know what time it is. Time to cook something. Look here. Let me help y'all out with a quick little breakfast something. Quick little breakfast sandwich. We don't even have a name for it. It's so delicious. It's G14 classified. Okay? But let me show y'all something. We're going to cook us up a little breakfast this morning. We're going to use the air fryer. We're going to use the little skillet. And we're going to make a slamming sandwich. Okay? Let me show y'all something. This right here, this is a product made by Goya, Tostones, okay? It's a plantain, for those of you who don't know what that is, similar to a banana, okay? These are frozen, and most supermarkets have this, okay? So we're gonna take 2 of these out of the bag, completely frozen. We're gonna drop it into the air fryer. At the same time, when we put those in there, we're also gonna go ahead and throw in quick little something here, Jimmy Dean heat and serve breakfast sausage, okay? Then, when that's done, we're gonna fry up an over hard egg. I'm gonna show you how to do that. Place the sausage on top, cheese on top, tostones on there, bam! Oh, it's gonna be slamming. Let's go ahead and get started. Let me show you what we got, okay? I already have the tostones, plantains, and sausage in the air fryer. Let me show you. Okay. So we're just gonna drop that in there just like this. Go ahead and get this over here where you can see how simple this is. Okay. Just like that. You see that in there? That is completely frozen. Not thawed out, not nothing. So we'll go ahead and drop this over here in the air fryer. Okay. But before I do that, you know what time it is. I'm gonna go ahead. I'm just gonna sprinkle a little bit of this adobo Goya seasoning in there. Boop, boop, boop. I got this air fryer, for those of you who wanna know. The air fryer, he's already set at 400 degrees, okay? Now, I'm gonna kick him up. I'm gonna put him down there where I can see. Boop. I'm gonna put him at 15 minutes. I'm just gonna let him do his thing. See? This is a genius invention right there, okay? It's gonna cook this. It's not gonna be in the oil. You know, it's something simple, quick to clean up. For those of you who don't have one, I suggest you run on down and buy yourself one. You know, start off with a small one if you ain't sure what you're doing. Get yourself a larger one. They make them in all different sizes. No, I'm not an air fryer salesman. Yeah. As soon as I can get this figured out how to put a link down there on my video where you can buy one, and yeah, I could earn a commission on it, of course. Somebody got to pay for these groceries. You know, I'll throw a link on there and you can buy one. In the meantime, just run on down to the store and get yourself one, because it's a pretty cool little gadget, okay? And then, like I said, when that's done, we're gonna pull all that out of there. We'll slam us up to a little sandwich together, and I'll show you what it looks like in 15 minutes. Hang tight. Okay, everybody. So the air fryer, it's got about 4 more minutes left. What we're gonna do right now, go ahead and show you this here. We're gonna crack off a couple eggs in here. We're gonna cook these over hard. Let me show you how this works. Okay, make sure you got your fire turned on there. And this skillet has a little bit of oil in there, about a half a tablespoon or so. So I'm gonna go ahead and crack these eggs. And for those of you who don't know or are not familiar with this term, I'm gonna make these eggs over hard. That means I'm gonna cook them, but I'm gonna crack the yolk, okay? I'm gonna throw 2 of these bad boys off in here. Get these done up while we're waiting on our air fryer, tostones and sausage to be complete. Give me just a second here. All right. So we're gonna let them sit in there and we're gonna let them do their thing. Okay, and make sure I got my temperature going there. These won't take but a few minutes, 2 or 3 minutes to cook. I'm gonna drop a little bit of my Goya seasoning on top of my eggs. Not much, just a pinch. Put that down there, you can see some of this. Okay, go ahead and throw some of this on there. You don't want to overdo it. You already have some on the tostones, platanos, plantains, whatever. what you want to call it. Okay, our eggs are cooking up here nice. This bell's gonna go off in just a minute, and we are gonna put together the world's greatest Spanish sandwich, filmed on location in Orlando, Florida, with Big T on the Cook Show. You got it, you got it. Everybody out there, you know, all my subscribers, I just want to give a big shout out to everybody. Thank you so much. We finally got over the 100 subscription mark. Listen, if you like this sandwich, please hit the subscribe button. You know, don't be afraid to hit the bell, you know, so you can be notified on some of my upcoming new videos. Learn how to cook something, and share it with the world. You know, don't just share it with your friends, your neighbors, your contact list. Shout out from the rooftops. The rooftops. Fly banners on airplanes. Tell everybody about the Cook Show. We got you. All right. It's almost time right here to flip these eggs. Let me show you what's going on down here. Over hard. Remember what I told you. Okay? That's when you bust the yolk. Okay? So some of y'all might be familiar with that. Some of y'all might have your yolks busted. Anyways, look at here. This is almost there. So we'll give it just another few minutes, a few seconds, not minutes. Let that cook on up through there so we can flip them. It's gonna be beautiful. You're gonna love it. I guarantee. All right. Eggs moving along. So this is a simple little breakfast sandwich you can cook when you wake up in the morning and your stomach starts doing all that, you know, the one we're talking to you about, feed me. You can do this in your house. That's why we're doing the show, for those of you who don't know. Just like that. There we go. Eggs over hard. Flip these bad boys over. Watch this here. See, get on up around there like that. Don't be scared of it. Grab a hold of it. Get that right there, like that. Go ahead and flip him over one time. Sometimes he got the right attitude, sometimes he don't. Bing! You heard that. So, you know what time it is? Right now it's time to turn off the stove. Because that egg, that skillet is going to continue transferring that heat up in there. So there's no need to continue wasting electricity. Okay? Let's have a quick look at the air fryer. See what we got going on in here. Look at that. Absolutely beautiful. So we're gonna take that, we'll set that over here, just dump all them goods out of there. You ain't gotta be scared of it. You ain't gotta be pretty. Dump it out. Get rid of it. Put it in there. Let's get to doing something. Okay? Put him in there. Boom, 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 boom. Just like that. Okay? Get him in there. Matter of fact, let's slide this off here. Just for a second. Okay? Slide him right over that plate. Get on up out the way. Get on right here. What we're gonna do, we're gonna take these sausages, so y'all can see this here. Okay? Cut them sausages in half like that right there. Bam. Cut them in half. Just like that. Cut them in half. Okay? Get rid of that knife. Get that knife out my way. Now we're gonna take this egg. Okay? We're gonna fold him in half about like that right there. Okay? We're gonna take these sausages, lay them across here like this right here. Y'all see all that? Pay attention now. This is important. We're creating the world's greatest. Y'all ain't never seen nothing like this. Cause it ain't never been done. Hey! Look at here. We got world-class video going on around here. And I got dogs in the background trying to tell me how to do my job. Are you kidding me right now with that? We'll get on back down here to the sandwich. Wow. All that. Ooh-wee. Get my blood pressure up. I ain't even done cooking yet. What in the hell? Look, first, for you folks who don't know how to build a sandwich, first things first, you gotta put the base on there. Then, go ahead, scoop them eggs up out of there like that right there. Get him over here. Boy, we're gonna go ahead and take a little bit of this here, a little bit more of this here Dobos. Don't you worry about your blood pressure. That's why the doctor makes medicine, so you can get some blood pressure medicine. I'm gonna put a little bit more Dobos on there. Close the lid on that bad boy. Look at here. Now I'm gonna show you something that you've never seen in your entire life. And that right there, my friends, is, how you say it, babe?
Es delicioso.
Es delicioso. Woo! Look at that bad boy right there. World class. You ain't never seen nothing like that in your life. This right here is gonna be in every Spanish restaurant on the globe. When they see this right here, they're gonna be saying, who in the hell is Big T on the Cook Show? Damn, that's a good looking sandwich. But look at here, with all that nonsense, y'all know what time it is, okay? Let me go ahead and bust this up, because this is for real. This is for real, okay? We're gonna take this little here, right here. Some of this hot sauce right here. Oh yeah, Big T gonna put his sandwich to good use in just a second. A little bit of that hot sauce. Damn. Let's go ahead and try him out one time. You ready? Watch this. Oh my God. Look at him. You ain't never seen no Cook Show in your life. It's so entertaining and learning so much. So, I just want to shout out to all my subscribers. Hey, tell the word about us, The Cook Show. You love us. Thank you very much for watching the video. Please subscribe, hit the notification button. And until next time, peace out. Have a great day.